After going through all the drama of September 1st, 2024, she's here. She's finally here. Hi guys, welcome back to Zonchi TV. This is Tenzin and I make cozy vlogs to bring some coziness in your life, and I'm also super passionate about stationery, skincare, and making cute things by hands. And this video is going to be all about my planning situation for 2025. Yes, the planner community gets and plans things, and they get their planner as early as September. So here I am, and this is my hobonichi, like my beautiful hobonichitecho 2025 box. You have no idea what it took to get all the things that I did this year, so it was chaos. Yeah, I'm gonna include those clips at the end, but let's do some unboxing and talk about what I got and why hobonichi could be a good planner for you. Let's see. Woo! I'm gonna take everything out and let's look at it one by one. Okay, so I got the cover and the A5 size hobonichi hon. Got the rainbow Bijutsukai rainbow design hobonichi hon. Hon is my ride or die because last year I also used a hon, but it's this tiny one which is A6 size, which is the original size. I felt like it was too, like the space was very limiting for me last year, so that's why I decided to shift into this big one. Also, I was using another notebook that has like weekly and monthly setups, but I felt like that was also like the space was very limited, and both of them were like not working for me, so I thought why not get this big one which literally has everything. And if you don't know what hobonichi is, it's literally a planner but more catered towards journaling people. For me, it's like an all-in-one thing for me because there's like one page per day. You also have a whole year, like yearly index, a monthly setup, and weekly setup as well, which the A6 hon didn't have. So I'm really excited about that. Last year I got the bow and tie one. This year I didn't really like the bow and tie design, so I went with the Bijutsukai rainbow cover. Okay, let me open this up real quick. So I've seen a lot of pictures for this. I do think that in the pictures it seems like a lot brighter, but in real life I feel like it looks very much like an old painting, you know, like you can definitely tell that it looks like that. The only issue I thought I might have is how flexible the cover is, because I really didn't want like a super hard cover. It is hard, but it's also flexible. But unlike bow and tie, like bow and tie is so flexible. So yeah, this is definitely less flexible than the bow and tie. Certain things that I really like about hobonichis, one of my favorite part is that it is flat lay binding. So whichever page you go, it's gonna lay flat. Paper is also very unique. I was really hesitant last year because I didn't know if I was gonna like the Tomoe River paper because it is very thin. Do you see? Because the paper is so thin, like you are able to fit a whole year in this one notebook, which is like super cool for me. I used to do like the original bullet journaling method where you use like a thick notebook, which is what I do. I mean, it's not original. I really liked the decorative bullet journaling aspect, and the pages over there were like 160 GSM, which is really thick and good, but it took like a lot of space. Like you would have to divide the year in two super thick notebooks, and it was getting really tedious and annoying to like carry it everywhere. So even though this is big, but it's gonna be like the whole year. It's like a cute hardcover book. So this is what the inside is like. You get calendars, and then these are the yearly index part, and you get the monthly setup. The thing that I don't like about hobonichi is that the monthly calendar is like way ahead, and then like you get the weeklies, which is like separate, and then you come to the 1 day per page. So I wish that there was a monthly and weekly right before every month. This year, what I'm really excited about is the weekly setup, which the A6 hon does not have. So this one goes straight from like monthly and directly to like a day per page kind of thing. We move on to, there's always a page or two that says like turning the page to a new year, and then you have the cover for January, and so on and so forth. End of the notebook, you do get some extra pages. Extra pages is followed by a timetable, maybe useful for people who have timetable like school and stuff. And then there's this graph paper section, favorites section, and my 100 section, which I have not really used that much, but I hope I'll use it this year. And then, oh, this is neat. This is different. Sample symbols and icons. Okay, like this is so useful. I really like this one. Have fun keeping a diary. Wow, that is so cool. And then you have this and some personal notes, addresses, gifts, and whatnot. Oh, information about what Bijutsukai and Shin Bijutsukai is. So there's a pencil board which you're supposed to use as, you know, because the paper is really thin, and if you're somebody like me who puts a lot of pressure when you write, so you gotta put like maybe 2 or 3 pages below the paper that you're writing on, and then you write it, and then hopefully prevent the paper from becoming like too indented at the back. And this part is a pen clip, so it's not gonna fit like the whole pen, but from what I heard, this is how you're supposed to use it. So putting the whole thing inside, which is not gonna work, you're supposed to put this thing here, right? So it's gonna stay here like this. You know what I mean? So that's how you use the pen loop. So why I like this design and why I was drawn towards like a Bijutsukai design was because Bijutsukai is, and Shin Bijutsukai is like, I think it's a design magazine. It's like from Meiji era, which is around 100 years ago. The magazine contained different designs published, and they are all like wooden hand block prints. So the person who found out about this and was like, oh, what is this? Like, what is this design? She thought it was like so modern, and I could not agree more. It is so modern and relative still in 2024. The designs, the colors, the pattern. She advocated for, you know, making this and finding more designs to make covers for 2025 hobonichi. And the thing about this one is because it's like wooden hand block prints, is what I know from my limited knowledge is that you would have to use different wooden blocks for each of these colors. So imagine the hard work it took to bring this beautiful design to life 100 years ago, which was so fascinating. I was sold by the story and the background behind it. That's why I bought this design. It is so beautiful, and the texture is like very canvas-like. You know, when you paint on a canvas, it definitely feels like it. And the red is really not that bright. Okay, so these are the 2 Yumikitagishi things that I bought, and it's so cute. It looks exactly like the pictures. The illustrations are like so pigmented and vivid. I love it. I really hope that next year she'll design some hon covers. Okay, moving on. This is a decorush. If you don't know what decorush is, it's like glue tape, but when you slide it, you're gonna get stickers, like these really cute stickers. And this year, it's all cats. Super cute cats, and I love it. I love it so much. So the super cool thing about buying from their own website is the fact that you get a free like blind gift, and you get a free pen, a uniball pen, and it has 3 different colors. Last year it was this color, and it matched my hon perfectly. It was a vibe, okay? But this is a notebook, and it has Bijutsukai or Shin Bijutsukai like design, one of them, and I think they have like 4 different designs, and I really hope I'm not getting the black one, which is like not bad, but I really prefer the other ones. But I must tell you that I'm usually very unlucky about these things, so let's see. Is it gonna be black? Yes. So I got the black design. So it's a notebook, and it has square grid paper, and it's all tomoe river paper. It's not gonna be like flat lay. This is different. Binding is different here. So yeah, these are the free gifts for this year, and I love it. I love it so much. It's so useful. I really like gifts that can be used. And so that's my haul. And just for quick reference, again, this is A6, this is A5, and A6 is supposed to be half of A5. For $98, I got the notebook, the big sized hon, the cover for hon, a fusen by Yumikitagishi, and a decorush by Yumikitagishi, and these 2 gifts. Because of all the frenzy of the website crashing, your cart getting emptied, I was like in panic mode, and I decided to buy a notebook from a reseller. I was not getting this design, so I resorted to the Spy family design, which is also cute, but it was not like my top choice. And for that A5 size hon, it was $70 without taxes. Imagine if you have to pay the taxes, and if there's some sort of shipping charge, it's gonna be like almost 80. Including the shipping and everything, I paid almost around $98. So that's why I think if it's a good deal for you, definitely get it from their own website. And it literally arrived in less than 10 days, I think. I forgot to mention that every year they come up with a theme, and according to that they make some sort of pamphlet. Last year was so cute and colorful. Cut them all out and made them into a cover, and I did that for my other planner as well. It was so cute, and it's all about potential because that's what their theme is this year. For me, this is not the kind of illustration that I like, but yeah, this is what they went with this year. I cannot wait to start 2025 with this bright colored Hon notebook. I'm so excited. Like maybe I'll do like 1 month in or like 6 months in kind of thing. If you're interested to know how I'm doing and how I'm liking the planner, so definitely put that down in the comment. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and got some general idea about what hobonichi is, why people are obsessed with it, and why I'm obsessed with it. Okay, now let's go to the drama part of what happened in September 1st and how we broke the internet, basically. Enjoy those clips and I'll see you in my next one. Toodles!
It's officially Hobonichi Day and I am too excited. The new 2025 Hobonichi collection goes on sale in like 5 minutes, so I've already added my stuff to the favorites list and all I need to do is add them to the cart. Here's my favorites list and it's 7:30. It's live. Should be live. Should be live. Is it added to cart? Okay. Let me go check out. It keeps buffering.
A few moments later.
It says the servers are currently busy.
Moments later.
So I've been like refreshing like crazy. Now it's just saying there's no items in my cart, so I have to add everything again.
More moments later.
Now it's the it's the Yumikitagishi sticky note tabs are gone. I'm getting a little upset.
20 minutes later.
It's been 30 minutes and I still cannot check out. I think I'm gonna give up now.
2 hours later.
I'm out running an errand, but still don't have a hobonichi. I had to improvise because if I kept like waiting to get something, then everything's gonna get sold out. And I don't want to get the yellow sushi bow and tie hon, so I already bought the Spy Family hon. That's the situation.
6 hours later.
There was a lot of stuff going on the whole 6 hours that I've been trying to get. I almost gave up, but I saw a comment that said that, you know, everything's restocked and they are working on the website and stuff. So I went there again and I kept like trying to check out, and finally got my order. I got the Vijizukai Rainbow Hon, the cover, the Deco Rush, Yumikitagishi, and the Yumikitagishi sticky note tabs. I'm canceling the Yoseka order. Babich, I'm done with this. Already ordered. I have an order ID and everything.